What is going on, everyone? I hope you saw my last video where I made the striking end to this flail. Well, this video I'm going to be connecting it with the missing link because I did not cast the chain along with the striking end. Let me show you how I'm going to create the missing link. Just like the first video, I made 7 links doing the same exact thing. I'll slice it with a knife so I'll be able to open it up. Once sliced, then I'll glue a sprue to the top. This is where the aluminum is going to be poured into and is going to take the shape of the foam. Next, I'm going to take the striking end and the chain end and open up the slice and slip both of them inside of the link. Once that's finished, now we need to glue closed the link. I'm using the Fast Grab tacky glue. I'll just stick it on, compress it, and leave it overnight. And by the next morning, I'm able to work with it. When the glue is completely dry and ready to work with, now we're going to add a layer of wall plaster mixed with water to the pattern. This acts as 2 things. It keeps the surface finish of the foam, but it also will keep some sort of separation between 2 pieces of aluminum so they don't fuse together. Now I'm going to perform a casting process which I've done in the past 2 videos of this series called lost foam casting. I'm going to bury this in sand, dry sand, and I'm going to pack it in nice and gentle. Also trying to keep a barrier between both the aluminum and the foam so when I do cast this, they do not touch. Now, you might be wondering why there's a piece of electrical tape there. I'm actually using the electrical tape to hold 2 of the aluminum links together so they don't dangle around and interfere with the cast. I'll fill this all the way to the top, brushing away the sand from the foam, and I'll put a pouring basin right on top. This is where I'll pour the aluminum into. I'll let this dry about 15 minutes before I remove it. But while I wait, I just want to show you guys a couple of my other videos that I've made in the past that I think you will enjoy. So after you're done watching this video, go head over to my videos and check some of my other videos out. Well, everyone, here it is. It worked, just as I thought it would. Now all I have to do is cut off the sprue from the link. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you liked the video, please smash that like button. Make sure to watch the first and second episode for this series, but also stay tuned for the 4th episode, because that episode I'll be making the handle for this flail.